A made-in-China monorail is making life more convenient in Bangkok, capital of Thailand. The monorail Yellow Line, manufactured by China's CRRC Pusan Alstom Transportation Systems Limited and operated by Thai agencies, commenced commercial operations in July. It spans 30.4 kilometers to connect the north and the south parts of eastern Bangkok, while intersecting with several intra-city rail lines.
นิ่มนวลดีกว่ารู้สึกว่าข้างในโอโถงแล้วก็สวย
ผมก็ไม่ได้ขึ้นบ่อยแต่รู้สึกว่ามันเงียบมันไม่สะดุดเคยขึ้นบางขบวนแล้วมันจะสะดุดถ้าการจราจรข้างนอกมันติดขัดข้างบนมันก็จะสะดวกกว่ายิ่งฝนตกอะไรพวกนี้ถ้ารถไฟฟ้ามันจะสะดวกกว่าเยอะ
I think this is one of the biggest cooperation between China and Thailand because all the system are actually from China. It's a more flexible system, and in terms of investment, it's a little bit smaller. But I believe that this kind of train will actually help the Thailand people for the next generation to travel.
The straddle-type monorail can greatly alleviate traffic congestion as its elevated structure occupies less space. The monorail system has also been fine-tuned to better cope with Bangkok's tropical weather and scorching heat.